Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete your account on Claude. This is a very simple process, and it only takes a moment once you know where to find the right option. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. Whether you're removing an account because you no longer use the platform, switching to another service, or simply want to clean up your online accounts, these steps will help you complete the process properly. To get started, look at the top left corner of the screen. If the sidebar is not already visible, click the sidebar icon to open it. This menu gives you access to the main navigation options, so if you don't immediately see the account area, opening the sidebar is the first thing you'll need to do. Before moving forward, make sure you are logged into the correct account. If you have multiple accounts, it's always a good idea to double-check the profile you're managing so you don't accidentally delete the wrong one. Once the sidebar is open, move down to the bottom left corner and click on your profile. This is where you'll find personal account-related options, including settings. If you're following along on a smaller screen, just take a second to make sure the sidebar is fully expanded so you can clearly see the profile section. After that, click on Settings. This will open the main settings area for your account, where you can manage different preferences and account options. Depending on the layout, the settings menu may contain multiple categories, so take your time and make sure you're in the correct section before moving on. You may see different options related to your account preferences, privacy, or other settings. The exact layout can change over time, but the account management section is usually where deletion options are placed. Next, go to the account category. This is the section where account management options are usually located. Once you're there, look for the option that says Delete Account. Click on that to begin the deletion process. At this point, you'll likely be asked to confirm your decision. This confirmation step is important because deleting an account is generally meant to be permanent. Platforms usually add this extra confirmation step to prevent accidental deletions. So before continuing, make sure you understand that you may lose access to account information, saved preferences, or previous activity connected to that account. Read the prompt carefully, then confirm if you're sure you want to continue. And that's it. Once you confirm, your account deletion request will be completed. Before doing this, it's always a good idea to make sure you no longer need anything associated with the account, since account deletion may remove access to your data, history, or saved settings. For example, if you have important conversations, saved information, or anything you may need later, check those details before completing the deletion process. Taking a quick moment to double-check can help avoid mistakes and save you from losing information you may still need. But in terms of the actual steps, that's the full process. Open the sidebar, click your profile, go into Settings, open the Account section, choose Delete Account, and confirm. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to subscribe to Tutorly for more simple step-by-step guides, tutorials, and helpful tech tips.